Wood does not rot because it gets wet. Wood rots because it gets wet and stays wet because moisture enters the fiber structure and cannot leave, creating the anaerobic, consistently damp environment that wood-degrading fungi feeds and thrives on. Timber that dries fully between wet periods does not rot. Timber that holds moisture indefinitely provides exactly the conditions that rot requires. And the distinction between the two is not the wood species, not the treatment on the surface, and not the climate. It is whether moisture that enters the fiber can exit freely or becomes trapped. This is the rot mechanism that World War II military engineers were managing when they needed timber structures to survive underground, in bunkers, revetments, drainage channels, and any installation where direct soil contact meant constant moisture exposure from every direction simultaneously. Above-ground timber can dry between rain events. Below-grade timber cannot. The solution they arrived at was not a better surface coating. It was oil saturation, replacing the moisture inside the wood with oil before the moisture could establish the conditions rot requires. The logic of oil saturation as a wood preservation strategy is older than the Second World War by several millennia. Shipbuilders in ancient civilizations oiled their timber before construction because wood that has been saturated with oil does not hold water the same way unsaturated wood does. Oil and water do not mix at the molecular level. When the cell structure of wood is already occupied by oil, incoming moisture has no space to establish. It contacts the oil-saturated fiber, finds no unsaturated pathway to penetrate, and moves on. Rot cannot establish in wood that does not retain moisture, because the fungal populations responsible for rot require sustained moisture to survive. The modern formulation that most closely replicates the saturation level penetration of the traditional oil preservation method is pure tung oil, specifically 100% pure tung oil without blending agents or synthetic additives that reduce its penetrating capability in favor of faster surface drying. Hope's 100% pure tung oil is food safe, natural, and formulated without the petroleum distillate carriers that reduce penetration depth in many commercially marketed tung oil blends. If you want to protect timber the way World War II military engineers protected below-grade structural wood from the inside out at saturation level, this is the product that applies that method correctly. It soaks in rather than sitting on the surface, and that distinction is everything when the wood is in ground contact and drying between applications is not an option. The link is in the description. Coverage is everything with a saturation treatment, and this is where most applications fall short. A saturation oil applied to half the accessible surface area of a timber creates a treated zone and an untreated zone, and moisture enters through the untreated zone and migrates to exactly the areas the oil was supposed to protect. Below-grade timber has surface area that brushes cannot reach efficiently. End grain, back faces against soil, the undersides of horizontal members. And it is precisely those areas that moisture attacks most aggressively because end grain absorbs water at a rate 12 times higher than face grain. A sprayer changes the economics of coverage on complex or large timber installations. The Zeep Professional Spray Bottle, 32-ounce, adjustable nozzle between fine mist and powerful spray, refillable pack of 3, allows you to reach surface areas and angles that brush application misses. Apply oil consistently across large surface areas without the puddling and uneven distribution that a brush on irregular surfaces produces, and saturate end grain by directing a concentrated stream directly into the exposed fiber. If coverage is everything, then the tool that achieves full coverage is not a convenience. It is the difference between a preservation treatment and a partial one. The link is in the description. Used together with the tung oil, you have the delivery system and the material working in the same direction. What the military understood about below-grade timber preservation is applicable to any situation where wood is in sustained moisture contact. Fence posts, raised bed framing, deck ledger boards, foundation sill plates, any timber that cannot freely dry between wet periods. The surface coating approach fails all of these applications for the same reason it failed in wartime conditions. It treats the symptom rather than the cause. Wood rots because moisture gets trapped inside it. The solution is to occupy that space with something that moisture cannot displace. Oil goes in, moisture stays out. The wood that is supposed to last underground does. If you like this video, please leave a comment and a like for it to reach more audience. The product links are in the description. See you in the next one.